Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my food vlog. So, ang gagawin natin for today is gagawa tayo ng napakasarap na sinigang. But it's not only just a sinigang dahil may twist yung gagawin natin. This sinigang is inspired by Manam Restaurant. Favorite ko to yung in-order sa Manam. So, sinigang na may pakwan. Since naisip ko lang po na season ngayon ng pakwan dahil summer, but in Manam Restaurant, even it's not season, they have always sinigang na may pakwan. So this is my way or my version how to make pork rib or beef rib, short rib sinigang with pakwan. So ito yung ating mga ingredients na ating gagamitin for this recipe. I have here pork ribs. But you can use beef much better. But for now, may uric acid po ako. So, hindi ako pwede sa baka. So, I use pork rib. I have here water, kangkong tops, talbos ng kangkong. Chop, pakwan, natanggal po yung buto. Dapat i-chop nyo siya ng cubes para makuha lahat natin or maalis lahat natin ng kanyang mga buto. Sliced okra, talong, gabi, sitaw, sliced tomato, quartered onion, patis, nor seasoning for our marination, strips ginger, cooking oil, and then crushed lemongrass stalk, yung white part only, siling panigang, crushed garlic, MSG which is optional, black pepper, and then lastly our nor sinigang sa sampalok with gabi mix, 2 sachet. So it's up to you kung gaano kaasim ang inyong sinigang. But mine, I want super asim. And that's it. Huwag na nating patagalin. Let's cook our sinigang with pakwan. Okay, let's marinate our pork ribs into our Knorr seasoning. So around 30 minutes yung marination niya or overnight. That's fine. Yan. So let's set aside and then for at least 30 minutes, isi-serve natin yung ating pork rib hanggang mag-brown po siya. Okay, yung kalahati ng ating mantika, not all, kasi magigisa pa tayo mamaya. Pork ribs with the marination. So hayaan nyo lang siyang ganyan po hanggang mag-brown yung ating karne. Okay everyone, so as you can see, nagbra-brown na yung ating pork rib, nakatulong yung kanyang Knorr seasoning. So ayan, kumakapit na siya and then nagtututong. And I think it's now okay. So kunin ko muna yung ating pork rib sa ating ilagay natin sa isang mixing bowl. Then wag yun nang huhugasan, wag yun nang aalisin. Okay lang po yan. Alalay lang sa apoy, baka masunog naman po magtutong. And then, konting oil na lang. Di ko ilalagay lahat yung 1/4 cup. And then, let's saute our aromatics, our ginger, garlic, and then tomato, and lemongrass. So, hayaan nyo lang yung kumapit sa ilalim ng panyo, makuha natin, ma-deglaze po siya kasi nandun yung flavor ng karne. Yan. Dinideglaze natin siya. Okay, it's time to add again our pork rib. And then season with patis, black pepper, then MSG. Then I'm going to add in our gabi, kaya cut into chunks yung ating gabi para pampalapot din sa ating sinigang. And then, the half of our pakwan. Yung kalahati po, ilalagay ko na para humalo sa sabaw. And then, yung kalahati is mamaya na po. Okay. Then, let's add in our water. Yan. So, this is 1.5 liter of water. Ganda ng kulay. Mas maganda pa po yan mamaya pag nadurog yung pakwan natin. So actually, mas masarap talaga ang beef. But for now, talagang nag-under medication ako for my gout kasi nasobrahan ako ng baka or yung mga bawal na food. Kaya pork rib muna, but love ko talaga ang beef. Then, hayaan nating kumulo, takpan, mga around 20 minutes or 30 minutes, depende sa ating pork rib. But mine is 20 minutes lang to. Malambot na mamaya kasi bata yung aking pork. Hindi siya magulang. So, kunin nyo lang yung nasa gilid, i-deglaze nyo, flavor po yan. Okay everyone, update ko lang kayo. Ito na yung ating sinigang. Ayan. So as you can see, nauubos na yung pakwan. You can crush it if you want or smash. Kung gusto nyo durog na durog yung kalahati ng pakwan. Pero sa akin okay na yung ganito. Yan. So malapit na. So yung gabi, bakit natin sinasabay at chunky siya? Ang gabi kasi pag hindi po naluto na maayos, yun po yung may makating factor. Tandaan nyo yan sa gabi pag nagluluto kayo. So malapit na yung ating karne, medyo malambot na siya. So mamaya idadagdag na natin yung ating mga ibang gulay. For now, kailangan ko munang palambutin yung pork ribs natin. Okay. So malambot na yung ating pork ribs. Yan o, medyo thicken na yung kanyang sauce, soup or sabaw. So, sabay-sabay ko nang ilalagay yung ating sitaw, okra, talong, siling panigang, and pakwan. So, isang lagayan na yan, except our kangkong. So, kailangang maluto muna yung ating mga gulay bago natin ilagay yung sinigang mix. Ayan, ganda oh. Super healthy. And let's cover it and cook it again for around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay po, malambot na yung ating gulay. Lastly, our kangkong. Hindi ko ilalagay lahat kasi sobra yung nakuha naming talbos. So, hayaan natin siyang maluto ng bahagya. Then, after that, ilalagay na natin yung ating sinigang sampalok mix, yung maliit na sachet. So, it's up to you kung isa or dalawa. Depende sa asim na gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng super asim, ako gusto ko talaga super asim, yung asim kilig. Yun po ang timpla ko sa sinigang. So, it's time to add sinigang sa sampalok mix gabi. Kasi pag mix gabi, medyo lumalapot po kasi yung ating sabaw. Yan. Okay, bali 2 sachet po yung akin. 2 small sachet. This is 11 grams. Ayan, nor sinigang, baka naman. Okay everyone, ready to serve na ang ating masarap na sinigang na may pakwan. So transfer ko lang sa ating lalagyan. Yan. So gulay muna. Lagyan natin ng mga gulay. So ikwan ko po yung lasa. Manamis na maalat na maasim. Yun po yung flavor. kahit dalawang sachet na yung nilagay ko, nangingibabaw yung sweetness from the watermelon. Yun po. Okay. Then, there you have it. Ito na yung ating finished product, our sinigang na pork rib with pakwan. Hope you like it, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more video updates.